My name's Scott Knight from Wollongong TAFE, New South Wales, Painting and Decorating Department. So here at Wollongong TAFE in the Painting and Decorating Department, we not only teach painting and decorating, we also teach sign writing and industrial painting and surface preparation. So the hands-on training for the students with the Mirka sanding tools is hugely important for their careers, not only in learning surface preparation, but also safety and how to get the jobs done with the right tools. Health and safety plays a huge role within our workshops here. It's really important for the students to learn how to use the tools that are not only the best but the safest in the industry, and the ones that are industry current as well. Definitely the students are kept safe with the dust-free system. It reduces dust levels dramatically for them to work in. It is hugely important for students to understand the dangers out there within the working environment and to know that they've got a system that works and can keep them safe with the dust-free Mirka sanding systems is amazing. They've only just started in their careers, so they have a minimal knowledge of how serious and severe the dust can be to their safety. So to have them come in and use Mirka dust sanding systems is a really awesome tool for them to have. Mirka tools are awesome for teaching the students. Not only are they easy to use, the kids find them fantastic to use as well. There's a variety of tools that they can use for different parts of the job that they're doing, and keeps the dust down. Minimal vibration with the tools, the ergonomics with using them, they're easy to use. The guys find them really easy to manoeuvre around the jobs as well. The Mirka sanders have made a huge difference within teaching in the classroom, providing a dust-free environment for the students to work in, noticeably different than from a few years ago, and it helps them stay industry current with what's out in the market these days, and get the job done with the best tools and the best products that there is to use. Using Mirka's professional grade tools prepares our students for the workforce by providing them with the best and safest tools out there on the market. We've noticed huge improvements with the training outcomes of the students, not only in the efficiency of their work, but the quality of their work as well. The feedback we get from the students for the Mirka tools is always outstanding. They love using the tools ever since we've got them here, and all of them have been quiet about looking forward to getting them when they're tradesmen on site. It's important for TAFE to partner with brands like Mirka to show the students and the people that come to TAFE the best and safest tools that are out there in the workforce. Garrett's been awesome since we purchased Mirka tools. He corresponds via email, he drops in, does demonstrations for the students, shows us all the latest tools that are available and all the sanding systems that are available. His overall support's been fantastic. Since we've had Mirka on board, the overall response from students and staff members has been fantastic. The systems are easy to use and work with. The dust-free environments that we now work in is unbelievable. We'll be looking to purchase more of them in the future for sure. So we've got several other institutions that do use the Mirka systems as well, but we're trying to get more in for them to use as well.